Okay, let's see. So I have the ground here, which I did the pin, and we're going to check before I commit to actually doing this. This will let me know if I'm getting readings, and then I'll move to the Pico and get some outputs. So right here, this one is pin 1. That is the inside shuttle. So let's plug it in, get it some power. Now when I move the dial, it should give me readings every time. Click. Alright, so then we'll move to pin 8, which is the jog, which is this one right here. And this should only move to the left. And I got 5 volts. Now, goes out and zeroes back. Alright. I think that's good enough for me to start testing with the Pico and start wiring some stuff up. Stay tuned.